How to grow taller fast and naturally. Eat well. A balanced diet filled with plenty of healthy nutrients will help you grow strong and healthy, and reach your full height. That means staying away from pastries, sodas, and pizzas and reaching out to salads, whole grains, and fish. If you are having trouble motivating yourself to eat these foods, look for different recipes and find combinations of foods that appeal to you. Include lean protein in your diet. Proteins are the building blocks for things that help you grow tall and strong, your bones, muscles, and cartilage. So eating a good amount of food from the protein food group is important if you want to maximize your potential height. The recommended amount varies by age, sex, and amount of exercise you get. Get enough vitamin D. Vitamin D helps strengthen bones and promotes children's muscle growth. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to atrophied growth and weight gain, even in adolescents, according to a recent study. Foods rich in vitamin D include fatty fish, mushrooms, and fortified cereals. Get plenty of calcium. Again, there is little direct evidence of calcium and increase, but calcium is an essential ingredient to help you grow strong bones that are important for growth. Most of your calcium will come from dairy products. It is recommended that children between the ages of 9 and 18 consume the equivalent of 3 cups of dairy products rich in calcium per day. Avoid certain foods. In addition to avoiding too many fatty and salty foods, there are reports that some generally healthy foods can have a negative impact on your height. You should have a balanced diet, and these are not difficult facts, but consider reducing your consumption of soy products, tomatoes, and beans.